This is how I turn this into this. I recreate the chords and melodies, and the trick is to use 7th and 9th chords. For nostalgia, I played a 90s R&B bass with the ARP 2600. The bed squeak sample has become synonymous with Jersey Club. I chopped it up. More 90s with the Korg M1 house organ. Here's the main drum loop from the Acid Lab sample pack. Here's a basic sine liquid wobble bass. Here's a neat trick. Bounce your pads and reverse them. Then I grabbed the acapella using Isotope RX and chopped up the vocals. And there you go, guys. I'm super shy.